White collar crimes, ito po yung mga klase ng krimen usually nangyayari sa mga corporation o sa loob ng mga opisina. Okay, malamig na lugar. At ang offender involved mga professionals at nasa mataas na mga posisyon, mga executive secretary, mga chairman. Now, ito po'y klase ng krimen na hindi nag-involve ng weapons at violence. Why? Because when such crime is committed, pirma lang ng executive secretary ng offender, okay, makommit na ang crime. Why? Because this crime involves money. Okay? Wire transfer, bank transfer, okay, fraud, embezzlement, yun po yung nature ng white collar crime. Blue collar crimes committed by common people or ordinary people. And the educational qualification is not necessary. Okay? Now, another thing, the blue collar crimes is very opposite from white collar crimes in the sense na ito po yung nangyayari within the streets or local streets. Okay? Minsan tinawag ito as street crimes, okay? Or street fights, okay? Another thing, blue collar crimes involve violence, involves weapons, involves force, involve intimidations, which is hindi mo makita sa white collar crimes.